Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the
Xiaomi Mi Band 4 strap replacement. These straps are available on AliExpress between $1 and $1.5 US a piece, which is excellent price. You can choose from different colors, semi-transparent ones or camouflage design, which is made from 2 layers of silicone. The quality is decent, even though they seem slightly softer than the original one. But for $1 US, if they last 6 months to a year, they are quite worth it. If you like these straps, the link where you can buy them is in the description.
Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.